and welcome to another day of my 1 week 1 palette challenge summer edition with the NYX Ultimate palettes. I have the brights and I have the cool neutrals here. So today is actually one of these days where I have a very pretty lovely look in mind, which will be perfect for warm summer evenings or summer days when you really want to pop a little bit of color on your eyes, but not too much. So I think I'm going to make a little bit of a more like lilac-ish look today, and I'm mainly going to use this row, mainly this color out here I think. And for today's look I'm going to need a few colors out of this palette, and I think I thought about it, and I think I'm going to stay with the slightly shimmery silvery shade up here. So whatever shimmery silvery shade you have, just use that one, and maybe this cool like beigey matte color right there. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with a nice light base, and for that I'm going to use a MAC paint pot, and this is the Pro Longwear paint pot in Painterly. So this is a very nice and lovely, just very neutral base color, which I really like to use as a eyeshadow base, or just to have a nice like neutral canvas to work with. So now I'm going to start with the Cool Neutrals palette, and I'm going in to the color right in the corner up here, or in this one. I think I'm going to stay with this one first, the cooler toned one right here. And I'm using a Exo Beauty crease blender brush. Careful, because this is really powdery, this shade. And I'm kind of using this to create a really nice and neutral base here, and quite bright I wanted it to be. So you can see that this actually makes a difference in color, basically blending it all over the eyelid and up into the crease. Okay, just like this. And now you're already done with this color, and we're going into the Brights palette and into that lilac shade in the second row. So this is how you open it, in the second row right out here. And I think I'm going to start with another Exo Beauty brush, and this is the angled shadow brush. So this now goes in the outer corner, just patting it on top. You're going to need quite a lot of it because it's very lightly pigmented, it's just a very bright color. So I'm putting that one in the outer corner and trying to keep it on top of the crease here. Like you can see, I'm really piling this shade on. I'm really building it up to have it nice and pigmented. Alright, now I'm going to go in a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit, into this dark purple right on the other side. This is the one you used, and this is the next one. Not too much, just a teeny tiny little bit to darken it up a bit, and I'm focusing that more towards the crease. I'm going a bit back into the brighter purple lilac shade, and I'm blending it a bit up here. Now I'm going back into the Cool Neutrals and into the shade I used as a base color. The same angled shadow brush by Exo Beauty. Blend it out nicely up here. Alright, just like this, and now the same thing on the other side, and then I'm going on to the lower lash line. Alright guys, this is the upper lid done. Like I said, it's very subtle, it's nothing too strong. Of course you can build it up a lot more, make it even more purple. Also, I'm sorry about the lighting today. It seems so much darker on this side than on this side on camera, it seems, but it really is not on my mirror. Sorry about that, but it isn't. That's everything I want to say. Now I think I'm going to go in and quickly use my Laura Mercier eye crease brush and the neutral light shade I used before, and just go a little bit on top here, just patting it on and blending it in a little bit. Do not use too much, I just wanted it to be a little bit brighter there, to have the look nice and bright. Not too much, just a tiny bit. Although it's so much more pigmented in real life, I don't know which setting I should change to make it more visible to you. That better? But it's quite dark, isn't it? I hope that you can see it nicely. Now I'm going on to the lower lash line, which is always very exciting. Using, like always, my MAC 212 brush, and I'm going into the brighter lilac-y shade. And I'm going to blend that one very generously underneath the lower lashes here. Like around the middle of the eye, not too far in. Of course you can easily use a more fluffy brush for that, because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a Ivory 234 Smoky Shader brush, which is quite flat but a little bit fluffier. And because you want to add so much colour, you can easily use a more fluffier one. That will definitely save time. Right, like this. It's very nice and pigmented. And now, finally, you can leave it like that, and I think it's quite pretty. I think it just needs a little bit of a sparkle to make it extra pretty. And I'm going to use this shade here, right in the upper corner. This is how you open it. And right in the corner up here, it's a very subtle whitey silvery shimmer. I'm putting that on where I applied the cool light shade before. In the inner corners down here, which is where it naturally goes if you use your finger. And I just think it adds the prettiest little detail there. Now I'm going to use my Esteé Beauty Crease Blender brush and just blend it a little bit in here, mainly up in the crease and where it meets the lilac-y shades. Maybe add a little bit of the shimmer onto your brush so that it won't vanish totally. And just blend it in a little bit. Just like this. Of course it would look lovely if you have some eyeshadow which is like a lilac-y shimmer shade. And you could add it a little bit on top there either. And I think this is just so fairy-ish. Very lovely look. And I'm going in with my MAC 212 and either with this silver shimmer shade. And I'm just blending it. It's the same brush I used for the lilac underneath my lashes. And I'm mixing that way, I'm mixing those two shades a little bit together, and it will be a nice transition. Just like this, and that makes the eyeshadow look already done. So something very quick and easy, and something so pretty and so wearable. And now only mascara and eyeliner is missing. And I'm going to use, maybe it's a bad idea to use this one, but it's very pretty. Now this is one quite new to my collection, and it's a Tarte Tilbury eyeliner, and this is the Feline Flick Quick Fine Line Shadow Pan. Maybe a little bit of a cat flick with it. And then only mascara is missing, and a nice lipstick, of course. Okay, just like this. I just thought something very nice and feminine would go perfectly with this look. And now mascara is missing, and of course I'm going to stay with my Maybelline Lash Sensational because of all the mascaras I've tried, even though there are expensive ones in it. Nothing beats this mascara. And that's the eyeshadow look done. Isn't it so pretty? I really love it. I just love this color so much. It's so cute. It's girly and feminine and sophisticated all at the same time, if that is even possible. Love it. Alright, so now for lipstick, I think I'm going to go for something a little bit more daring. Of course, nothing overall wearable for everyday maybe. And plus, this lipstick is a limited edition by MAC. And this is from the Rossi di Palma edition, which probably is sold out pretty much everywhere by now. But I just think that this fits perfectly, and if you have something dark, cool toned, purple, greyish undertone maybe, I think that's very lovely to wear. There's actually one by NYX, the lip lingerie range they have. I do not have it with me here, unfortunately, since I would have worn that one. But this is quite the same color, and like you can see, I think it fits perfectly. It's quite dark and quite daring, but I think make this look a little bit more, I don't know, high fashion. have no idea. Definitely nothing very simple and airy like the eyeshadow look, but I think shade wise or color wise it fits perfectly with this look, and that way you can make this look a night out look very easily, very quickly. And this is the finished look for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. I really hope that you like it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and of course, like always, let me know if you recreate it and link me or send me your pictures. That's everything. Like always, I would be so excited if somebody really would be inspired by my looks and maybe get into colour. I know that there are many people who would love to maybe wear more colourful eyeshadow looks, including me, and I'm actually getting quite brave now with looks like this and wearing these even out and about. And I think the look for today is very, very lovely to get into colour if you want to. I really do like it. So let me know what you think about it, also about my lipstick choice, and if you do have it yourself. And I will see you in my next video. I hope that you will have a lovely day until then. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for giving a thumbs up, for subscribing to my channel so you won't miss the following looks, and for sharing this video and this look with your friends. Have a wonderful time, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.